Welcome back to online virtual classes of class 11th mathematics. In the last class we have discussed about Cartesian product. Today we are going to learn about the topic relation. Relation for explaining relation, basic topic is Cartesian product. First of all, I will explain its definition. Let A and B be any two non-void, non-empty sets. If R is a relation, R for relation if R is a relation from set A to B, then R must be a subset or equal to A into B. A into B का subset होगा या equal होगा relation R. But in which way R can be formed? The subset can be formed. Subset is derived by describing the relationship between first element and second element of the ordered pair of the Cartesian product. That is, if A and B are any two sets, the relation R from set A to set B is subset or equal to A into B. And in symbolic form, you can write R is a relation from set A to set B. You can read this as R is a relation from set A to set B is subset or equal to A into B. A into B means Cartesian product. And the example, I am taking a set, say A is the set, I am just taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is taking the set 2, 3, 4. Now, I am explaining I am making a relation R in this way. R is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. See, is it a relation or not? 2, 3, 3, 4. Is it a relation or not? See, R, Cartesian product is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. And 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4 are elements of the Cartesian product. That means R is a subset of A into B. That is why this is a relation. But how we have formed this relation? I formed this relation in this way that the first element is less than second one. That means 1 is less than 2 and 2 is less than 3. 3 is less than 4. And I can also make the elements like that. But before that, I want to explain you what is in which way we can represent relation. Representation of relation. After that, I will explain you detail. Representation of relation. Relation can be represented in two forms. First one is roster form. Do you remember the word roster form? Representation of sets. In set, representing set, there were two methods. First one is roster form. Second one is, anybody can say? Second one is set builder form. Now, what we have done in roster form? In roster form, elements are listed directly. Elements are listed directly. And set builder form, the relation is given by statement form. Now, I am giving you an example. Let me go through the topic. I am giving you an example. A is the set that you are given as, I am just taking an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first of all, I will write it set builder form. And R is the relation set xy such that y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, this is in statement form. Statement form is set builder form. Now, how can you find its value elements? Y equal to x plus 1. The x and y can take values from where? From set A. X can take value from 1 to 6 and similarly y can take value from 1 to 6. That means, I am just writing, see carefully, if you put y equal to 1, you will get x equal to 2. See, 1 plus 1, 2. Again, 2 plus 1. Now, if you put x equal to 1, you will get the value of y equal to 2. Now, the elements of the relation are 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 5, 5, 6. And can you put the value of x equal to 6 here? If you put x equal to 6, you will get value of y equal to 7. But 7 is not given in set A. That is why you can't take value of x equal to 6. That is the relation. That means you are given a set and we have derived a relationship between both the coordinates. On the basis of the coordinates, we have listed the elements. This is the roster form and this is the set builder form. Now, after that, the set of all first elements. See, set of all first element of the relation. Set of all first element of the relation. Elements of the relation is called domain. Very important. This chapter is very important because this chapter you have to use in the class 12th, and every basic concept you should be clear here only, because in class 12th you will not get sufficient time to go through to the topics of class 11th. And set of all first elements. What are the first elements? Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means domain is equal to, set means curly bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5. And set of range is the set of all second elements. Set of all second elements. That is range, he is here, range starting from 2, not from 1. Because if you put x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Second ऑर्डर पेयर का सेकेंड एलिमेंट का जो सेट है उसको आप रेंज कहते हैं, रेंज कहेंगे, और फर्स्ट एलिमेंट का जो सेट इसको डोमेन कहते हैं. तो रेंज इज फ्रॉम सेट 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, here 6 is not coming, here 1 is not coming. Now one more term is there. Domain set of all first elements, range is a set of all second elements. The whole second set. That means if you are taking relation R from A to B, first set is A, second set is B, then second set is, here is B. Second set is called codomain. And the relationship between range and codomain is, range is subset or equal to codomain. That means यहाँ देखिए रेंज 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है, सेट गिवन जो है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 है, इसमें 1 नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ सबसेट बन रहा है, और रेंज मैक्सिमम कोडोमेन का सारे वैल्यूज ले सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज, इफ यू आर गिवन द वन मोर टॉपिक इज देयर, इफ यू आर गिवन 1, 2, 2, 3 as the elements of a relation, 2 is called the image, very important, image of 1. Similarly, the image of 2 is 3. That means the set of all elements, so that you can again redefine the range is set of all images of the relation, or set of all second elements of the ordered pair. And codomain is the whole set, domain is the set of all first elements of the ordered pair. Now, what do we mean by inverse of a relation? Inverse of a relation. If R is a relation from, I am writing in symbolical form, R is a relation from A to B, and the elements of R I am listing as A, B, C, D, like that. Then symbolically you can write A, R, B. That means A is related to B. Similarly, C, R, D. That means C is related to D. If you are given 2, 3, 2 R 3 means 2 is related to 3. Now, if R is a relation from A to B, then inverse of R, this is also very important, inverse of R is written as R inverse. Inverse trigonometric function you will learn in class 12. Inverse of R A से B में होता है, तो R inverse कहाँ से होगा? R inverse is a relation from B to A. So that domain of R is equal to range of R inverse होगा. Similarly, range of R just change होगा, is equal to domain of R inverse. Now I will give 1-2 question to get a clear idea about the topics. And I am giving you a question. let me go through the this one. And let us do one more question to get you a clear idea about domain, range and range. And I am giving reading the question. Find the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to the set X such that means two dots. And sorry, R is the set X comma X plus 5. आपको डायरेक्ट इसका कंडीशन दे रखा है वेयर x बिलोंग्स टू x कौन सी सेट से लेना है 0 1 2 3 4 5. Now you have to find domain and range of this function, and first of all, for finding domain and range of the function, what you have to do? First of all, you have to list all the elements. I am listing the elements. See carefully. First value you have to take 0 for x. 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0, 5, 1, 6, 1, 1 plus 5, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9. Am I right? 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, one more element is remaining 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Now see. Domain is set of all first elements. See, that is the given set itself. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Domain हमेशा given set ही होगा. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is range. Range means set of all second elements. See, second कहाँ से start हो रहा है? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? Domain is set of all first element, range is set of all second element. अब R inverse क्या होगा? R inverse is just reverse of this one. Reverse means क्या होगा? First element becomes x plus 5, second becomes x, and the given condition that you know. Now we can write R inverse. R inverse is 0 5 become 5 0. Just interchange the values. 6 1, 7 2, 8 3. 9 4 and 10 5. Now compare what I told. Domain of R equal to range of R inverse. Range of R equal to domain of R inverse. See, what is domain of R inverse? Domain of R inverse is equal to 5 6. First element लेना है 7 8 9 10. See, 5 6 7 9 10 is range. That is domain of R inverse is equal to range of R. Now, what is range of R inverse? Range of R inverse means कौन सा element लेना है? Second. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, range of R inverse is equal to domain of R. In this way, you can find direct relation as well as inverse relation.